Welcome back friends to another video by Smartest Blogger. This will be a very funny video because in this video I am going to make a fun with Google. So watch this whole video and see the fun of Google. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel Smartest Blogger and hit the bell icon to get all notifications time to time. So let's get started. Here I have come on google.com website. So our first thing is to change this picture. So for changing it, right click here and click on inspect. So this dialog box has been opened. So here I will go to a next tab and search for funny images. Here I will choose one of the funny image. After opening that, right click on this image and copy the image address. After copying the image address, go to our page and here right click and click on edit as HTML. Here you can see src means source. Then delete this link and paste our link there. And here down you can see the source set. So delete this link and replace with our link and click aside, and after that close this tab. So here you can see the Google image has been changed. So this was our first trick. So in the second trick we will change the names of these two buttons. So I will right click on this button and click on inspect. So here this code is highlighted. Right click on this code and click on edit as HTML. So here value of this code is Google search. I will change it. So here you can see the value of this button has been changed. We can change the value of second button also. Click on edit as HTML and change its value and click aside. So here you can see the Google has been changed, and by refreshing this page it will disappear. So thank you guys for watching this whole video. If you like this fun trick, then like this video and hit the subscribe button to get all the notifications time to time by the Smartest Blogger channel.